Hello doctors, this is Vishwakant Singh. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today in this session we are gonna discuss about the NEET PG 23 revised cutoff as well as what's the latest update regarding it. What are the PIL going regarding this point? What's the latest update on those PIL? What's the current status of the case? As well as we are gonna discuss about the CPS 2022 counseling. Yes, multiple of the rumors going around that CPS 2022 admissions will be cancelled. There won't be any counseling. So in this session we will be discussing what's the latest update regarding it. Before that, if you are new on this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube as well as our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, because on those platforms we will be covering what's the latest update regarding the current situation, what's the update and what's the fee structure, and complete discussion will be available on our NEET PG. Our about the NEET PG 23 will be available on Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined it, do join it. आज मैं सिंपली आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ नीट पीजी 23 के रिवाइज कट ऑफ के बारे में. क्या रिवाइज कट ऑफ हो सकता है, नीट को लेके कितने पीआईएल फाइल चल रहे हैं, क्या अपडेट है उन केस के बारे में, क्या रिवाइज कट ऑफ आएगा नहीं आएगा, कितना तक आ सकता है. सेकंड पॉइंट में आपसे बात करूंगा कि सीपीएस 2022 की काउंसलिंग होगी और नहीं होगी, क्योंकि एक बहुत बड़ा र्यूमर चल रहा है, कोर्ट केस भी चल रहा है, अलग अलग आर्टिकल्स भी, न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स भी पब्लिश किए गए थे विद द क्वेश्चन मार्क कि सीपीएस 2022 की काउंसलिंग नहीं की जाएगी, इसको कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. तो क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं इन चीज़ों के बारे में, इन तमाम चीज़ों को मैं इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगा. उससे पहले बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो और आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करके रखें. साथ में अगर आप सीपीएस 2022 के एडमिशन देख रहे हो और उसके लिए पर्टिकुलर हमने एक टेलीग्राम चैनल बना रखा है सीपीएस मुंबई के नेम पे, तो आप उसे भी ज्वाइन करके रखें. जो भी लेटेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन होगा वो कॉन्टिन्यूसली हम वहाँ पे पोस्ट करते रहेंगे. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. ऑलरेडी अगर मैं बात करूं यहाँ पे देर आर 2 PIL हैज बीन फाइल्ड फ्रॉम द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम 2 डिफरेंट स्टेट. फर्स्ट PIL इज फॉर नीट डिमोलिश. इट इज फाइल्ड फ्रॉम द तमिलनाडु. यस, Tamil Nadu state government has filed a PIL and the case has moved to the Supreme Court. In this they are demanding why not to cancel or the demolish the NEET pattern itself. मतलब कि they are demanding to cancel the NEET and let the exam or the let the things happen as it was happening before when there was no NEET. All the states having their own authority, their medical commission having authority to take their exam and fill their seat as per that. There is a demand on this and this PIL has moved to the Supreme Court itself. What's the latest update? We will be updating you soon, because currently there is no update. But the second point is interesting for you, because in this Bihar State Medical Council has filed a PIL in Supreme Court. In this they are demanding why not to remove this percentile eligibility criteria. Yes, they are demanding to remove this percentile eligibility criteria so that all those candidates who are appeared in the NEET PG 23 or in the NEET PG itself, they will be eligible and they will be allowed to take the seat in the different medical colleges of India as in different states. The update on this, the government and the judgment on this point has been dismissed. This PIL of Bihar State Medical College has already been dismissed by the Supreme Court judges. In this they are saying, first demand this thing to your government, to the NB and NC. If nothing happen, then come to us, then only we will interfere, because this is not our matter in which we gonna interfere. But the thing has been started and all the state government will be coming forward to speak about the NEET as well as the revised cutoff. So in this session there will be a revised cutoff, and in this session revised cutoff won't be depending upon the vacancies of seat, because as we have already seen in the NEET PG 22, the NEET PG revised cutoff has been published after the round 2 of counselling, before the joining of, at the time when the revised cutoff has been published, the All India round 2 joining was ongoing and the state round 2 is about to begin. At the same time they published the revised cutoff. Means now they are not waiting for the seat matrix of mop-up. So as per that they gonna decide. Up to earlier the rule was 1:10. Now those rules won't been followed in the PG 22. So same thing going to be happening in NEET PG 23 also, because the multiple states government will be continuously trying, and this is happening just because in the PG 22 or in PG 21 multiple of the non-clinical seats were getting wasted every year. In PG 22 there was a special history round. Yes, a special history round has been conducted, and even after this 1600 or something seat has been wasted even after a 4th through the 5th round of the counseling. Now states are demanding this. The PIL has been of course dismissed, but in this session NB has a very pivotal role that they has to take care that no seats will be vacant or no seats will be wasted. If any seats will be wasted, there will be a consequences for them, as well as there are multiple of the rules will be changing in this counseling. Yes, you heard me correct. In NEET PG 23 there will be multiple of the new rules will be coming up, and counseling will be totally as per that. What are those rules we'll be discussing in another video. What can be your expected revised cutoff again will be covered in the another video. Now if I talk about the CPS 2022 counseling, till now there is no information bulletin or there is no notification regarding it that whether it will be happening or not. See, already in Maharashtra the district hospitals conducting their CPS, that is CHS CPS counseling is ongoing. Third round allotment is already out and people are joining their seat. Every session CPS 2022 counseling began only, CPS counseling began only after the completion of the CHS CPS. So in this session, again, once this CHS CPS counseling will be over, your CPS 2022 counseling will be open. Till now, there is no notification or there is no notice published regarding it that your admissions will be cancelled. So don't come into these fraud things that it will be cancelled. Till now, no official notification has been published. Once this official, then you can take it that admission has been cancelled, but as per us it won't be cancelled. So if you're looking for the CPS admission or if you are already non-eligible in NEET PG 22, then which branches you can take, what are the branches available for you, how to proceed for the counseling, for complete detail you can visit our website. Regarding CPS, you can visit cpsadmission.in, as well as you can join our Telegram channel CPS Mumbai. The link is in bio. And there is a 2 PIL has been filed in the Bombay High Court. The detail of those PIL is already been posted in our Telegram channel. So if you're looking into it, you can join it. If you have any question regarding your NEET PG 23 revised cutoff or CPS admissions, you can contact on the given number below. As well as if you're looking for the management or NRI seats, that how to proceed for these seats, how to take the seat in NEET PG 23, what are the criteria to make your NRI documents, how to proceed for it, because in last session multiple of the people has created a document and they have got the allotment, but joining is not guaranteed to them. Yes, they have got the allotment, but the all India, the deemed universities didn't get them the joining, because now deemed universities has the right to approve or reject your document. As per the last session, the rule is simple. What are the updates and how to proceed for that, you can contact me on the given number below. This is it in this video. For more details, do contact us. Thank you.